What's up, YouTube? Biz here once again with another video for you all. Hope I'm in frame. Now in today's video, we'll be discussing the right mindset to have for this upcoming fourth quarter of 2018. Now 2018 is going to be the biggest e-commerce event of the century forever. It's gonna break records. I promise you that, because every year it grows. 17 was better than 16. 16 was better than 15. There's growth every year, but I think 2018 is a very special year because this may be the last height of this economic boom. And so in today's video, we'll just be discussing the right mindset to have and good products to look into for this upcoming fourth quarter. Now, before we go on, be sure to subscribe, comment down below, and like this video. All right. So you have to take advantage of this time when you're drop shipping products. So if you have a winning product, you have to find 5 or 10 complementary items that go with your item that you're selling. So let's say you're drop shipping a bracelet. It's a yoga bracelet. You need to go into print on demand, make yoga t-shirts, make yoga hoodies, make yoga sweatshirts. Find different products that will help your winning product if you found one so far. And then do not be shy with your advertisements. You have to go hard with your Facebook advertisements. So if you're starting to scale your business and you found a winning product, you have to, don't be shy with spending, $100 a day, $200 a day on your Facebook ads, because you have to understand that right now, first of all, even though Facebook ads has been saturated, it's still in its beginning stages. It hasn't been a full, I would say, 10 years since their platform has really evolved. And it still is in its beginning stages. In 5-10 years from now, Facebook ads will not be the same. It's probably going to be like all corporations. There won't be like mom and pop stores like mine's and yours being able to compete against these big companies like Coca-Cola or Nike that's going to spend $1 million a day on Facebook ads and Instagram ads and just take up all the space. So you have to take advantage of this beginning time, and really especially during this fourth quarter, because we never know when it's going to end, and this is the prime time. So don't be shy with it at all. Develop your brand and really take advantage of that. A really good entrepreneur, Gary Vaynerchuk, said, one of his downfall was not going full into these platforms when he was one of the first ones to begin using them. So when Google Ads came on, people didn't really know about it. People didn't even know you can advertise on Google. And he was one of the first ones to own highly popular words like the word wine or wine club. And he didn't put in a lot of his capital into those ads, even though they were converting amazingly. He just didn't know how much potential he could have used when he was in those beginning stages of Google Ads. And I think right now in Facebook ads, we are in that stage right now. And so it's very likely that you have to implore all that you have into these Facebook ads, especially during this time, since it's the beginning, and during fourth quarter. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is what kind of products do you want to sell for a quarter? Number one, every year around September, October, there's always an iPhone release, or something related with the Apple products, their product listing thing, and they have their keynote or whatever, and it's usually related to the iPhone because that's 70% of their sales. Now, it's so amazing how much money you can make during this time, because when an iPhone comes out, usually there's a different phone case. The charger might be a little bit different, different screen covers, and different arts that people want to put on their phone just because they're getting a new phone. So, fourth quarter is good because also iPhone is releasing, and because of all the holidays and whatnot and the sales that's happening. And so in another video, I'm going to go into AliExpress to show you good complimentary accessories that you can get for your iPhone, for your phones, and that's releasing during this time of October or November, whenever they release their new phone. Which I think is going to be like an iPhone XS, and it might not be like a whole redesign, but I do believe it might be an iPhone 10, a larger and a smaller one, so that in turn includes a different phone case. And so being early on those products is really key. So the main topics we talked about in this video is, number one, having the right mindset, being present right now in this moment. A lot of us are, even though I always think long-term in patience, however, you have to understand what you have right now is so valuable. And so that goes into spending on Facebook ads, spending, a lot of countless hours during this fourth quarter, because fourth quarter is like where you make your money for most e-commerce business. So you have to use as much as your capital as you can during this time. And then the next thing we talked about is highly converting products around this time, and it's relating to the Apple iPhone releases. All right. Now, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give me suggestions down below and let me know what you think of this video. And if you have any other questions, please let me know. DM me on my Instagram. It's in the description. And yeah, and just subscribe, because I upload every day, and I truly want to teach you all as much as I know about this business, because I found success in it, and I want to show you all how you can succeed in it. All right. Thank you. Bye.